Speaking from Newton Study, my name is PN Singh. My qualification is MSc in Mathematics from HT Jain College, Ara. I am going to teach physics of class 9th. Today topic is thrust and pressure. This topic is related to chapter flotation. The topic thrust and pressure is related to chapter flotation. First of all, I am going to explain about thrust. What is thrust? The force acting on any surface. The force acting on any surface in a direction perpendicular to the surface is called thrust. It means that the force which is applied perpendicularly to a surface is known as thrust. The force that is applied on a surface perpendicularly is known as thrust. Thrust is a vector quantity. Thrust एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है because it has both magnitude and direction. Thrust is a vector quantity because it contains both magnitude and direction. Thrust is equal to pressure into area. Thrust is equal to pressure into area. It is also expressed in. It means that thrust is expressed in the unit of gram force. Thrust is expressed in the unit of gram force or kilogram force. Thrust is expressed in the unit of gram force and kilogram force. Remarks टिप्पणी when a body is placed on a horizontal surface, when a body is placed on a horizontal surface, it exerts a thrust equal to its weight on the surface. It means that when a body is placed on a surface, then the force is applied by the body equal to its force. When a body is placed on the surface, a force is applied by the body equal to its force. Next topic, pressure. Force per unit area of the surface acting in a direction perpendicular to it is called pressure. It means that the force applied by a body on a surface per unit area is called pressure. It means that pressure is a thrust, but the thrust which is applied on a surface per unit area, this is known as pressure. The thrust which is applied on a surface and it is perpendicular to the surface per unit area, then it is known as pressure. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. Pressure is equal to thrust by area. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Another SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The SI unit of pressure is Newton per meter square. Another SI unit of pressure is Pascal. The effect of force. What is the effect of force? The effect of force is increased. The effect of force is increased by decreasing the area on which it acts. It means that when the surface area is decreased, then the force increases. When the contact surface area is decreased, then the force, the pressure increases. The effect of force is increased by decreasing the area on which it acts. It means that if we decrease the area of contact of the surface, then the pressure increases, force increases. Next, the force of effect is decreased by increasing the area on which it acts. It means that pressure is inversely proportional to area. If contact area is decreased, then pressure increases. If area decreases, then pressure increases. If area increases, then pressure decreases. It means that pressure is inversely proportional to area. Now I stop my teaching. I will see you in next video with new topic. At last, I say you must subscribe and like Newton Study. Thank you.